Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For more information regarding civil engineering concepts, please follow our website civilbasics123.blogspot.com. I will provide you the website link in the below description of this video. I will post at least one article per 2 days. Please follow our blog civilbasics123.blogspot.com. In this video lecture, I will explain you complete slab reinforcement details by using ETABS software for the 4-story building. So initially I will show you the building model which is related to the 4-story building. So after that I will show you how to design a slab for the respected 4-story building by using ETABS software. Okay. So click on the ETABS software here. So this is my building model which is consisting of the 4 stories. So this is the plinth level, this is the first story, second story, third story and fourth story. So firstly, I will show you the material properties. Go to define option, click on the material properties. So for this building, I was taken M25 grade concrete and FE 415 grade steel basic property. Click on OK. Again in the same process, I will show you the frame properties. Go to define option, click on the section properties, click on the frame sections. So for this building, I was taken 0.23 cross 0.35 is the beam size and column size which is consisting of 0.35 cross 0.35. So click on OK option. So again I will show you the slab section property. Go to define option, click on section property, slab section. For this building I was taken 150 mm slab thickness. Okay. Now I will show you the what are the load cases we are considered for the building design. Go to define option. So click on the load patterns option. So for this structure I was taken dead loading condition, live loading condition, earthquake loading condition as well as the wind loading condition. So after applying all the load cases we need to analyze the structure. So click on the run analysis option so that the structure will do the analysis process for the respected 4-story building. So now you can see this is the deflection diagram which is related to the 4-story building structure. So after analysis process completed, firstly we have to unlock this model. Initially if you want to design the slab section, we need to add the strips in horizontal direction as well as the vertical direction, X and Y direction. So go to edit option for that. So here we have to click on the add edit strips option. So click on the add design strips. So firstly we will add the strips for the story number 1. Just I am selecting the story number 1 here in horizontal direction in X direction with the strip layer is A. So click on the auto with the strip width. So click on the apply option so that the story number 1 will be applied for the respected horizontal direction here like this. Again in the same process we have to apply the strips in Y direction condition also. Next I am selecting the strip direction will be Y with the strip width is B. Click on apply option so that the Y direction strips will be applied here like this. So after applying the strips, again in the same process we have to change the story number to 2 here. Okay. Again select the grid direction will be of X with the strip layer is A. Click on apply option so that it will apply the strips in second story. So in the same process we have to change the direction to Y direction condition here with the strip layer is B. So click on the apply option. So after that we have to apply the strips for the third story. So go to click on the story number. Just I am selecting the story which is related to the 3 and G1 which is direction of X here. Click on apply option so that it will apply the story number 3. So again in the same process we have to apply the Y direction condition also. Here I am selecting the direction is Y with the B layer. Click on apply so that it will apply the B layer strips for the third story. So after applying all the strips, again we have to apply the strips for the story number 4. So go to select your respective story number. Just I am selecting the 4 number G1 with X direction with the strip width of A. Click on apply option. Again we have to apply the strips in Y direction with the B layer. Just I am selecting here as Y with the layer is B. Click on apply option so that it will apply all the strips for the 4 slab sections. So after that we have to click on OK option. So here I am selecting OK. So again we have to run the analysis for the structure. So here I am selecting the run analysis option for the building model. Click on run analysis option so that it will do the analysis process for the 4-story building structure under considerations of the building specifications. So now you can see this is again the deflection diagram. Now we have to design the slab section. So for that firstly we have to go with the frame section designs. Go to select the frame section design. So click on the preferences option. So here I am selecting the IS code. Click on OK. Again in the same process we have to go to the design. So go to click on the start design check option so that it will do the designing for the respected beam sections as well as the column sections for the building. So now we have to design the slab section. Go to select the concrete slab design. Click on the view revised preferences here. So here we have to select the IS codal provision. Click on OK. Again in the same process we have to select this. So click on the start design check for the respected slab section. So click on the start design check. So it will ask you respected floors. So here I'm selecting story number 1, 2, 3, 4. So click on OK option. So that the slabs will be starts designing your respected process, which is related to the first section, second section, third section, as well as the fourth section. The final diagram will be showing here like this, which is related to the slab 1, slab 2, slab 3, slab 4 section. Okay. So firstly, we have to save this model. Just I'm creating a folder here. Just I'm selecting a folder which is related to the A. Let us consider. Just I'm saving the model to the A folder firstly. So go to file option here. Click on save as option. So in this we need to select the desktop. Just I'm selecting desktop, which is related to A folder. Just I'm giving the name is 1, 2, 3. Click on save option so that it will save the model which is related to the A123 model, which is of 4-story building structure. Okay. So after saving the model, just we have to close this window. Just I'm closing this window. So now we have to open the CSI detailing software. Just I'm selecting CSI detailing 18 version. So here the CSI detailing will be open here. So firstly we have to click on the file option. Click on new detailing option. So in this we need to select the desktop, which is related to the A folder with the 123 EDB file, so that it will import the model from ETAP software to CSI detailing 18 version software. Now we can see initially the model will be directly open in CSI detail ETAP software. Then after that it will directly import to the CSI detailing. So here we have to edit the details which is related to the imported 4-story building. So for that firstly we have to click on the detailing units. Change the force to kilonewton option. Click on OK. Again select the preferences option. So select the standard preferences as per the IS 456 code. Click on OK. Click on the concrete detailing preferences option. Change the beam section to the B letter here. Again column section to the C letter here. Again wall section to the W letter here. Okay. So this is not mandatory, but we have to change it as per the consideration. So click on OK option. So after that we have to select the concrete display preferences option. So you can select this option, depends upon your consideration. Just simply I am selecting OK. Click on the rebar rules option. So after that we have to select the beam specifications. Just I am selecting the beams which is having the center to center distance minimum is 150, 150 and 150 as the minimum value. Maximum value just I am taking here as 300, 300 and this is also 300. Click on select the column section. Just I am selecting the distance here as 150. Again this is as 300 value here. Let us consider this is the just I am selecting here as 300 here. Okay. Select the piers option. If you want to change the piers you can change, but no need to change here. Just I am selecting the slab section here. And spacing of bars just I am taking here as 120 and maximum spacing just I am taking here as 300. Again we have to click on OK option. So after that we have to directly click on the OK option. So it will start designing your respected building as per the considered values. Okay. So here you can see it was designed to that respected value. So this is the framing plan under the building consideration. So here we are only focusing on the slab reinforcement section. That's why just I'm selecting slab section here. And I'm selecting the story number 3. This is the framing plan for the respective story number 3 and rebar plan here for this respective section. This is the section. Again this is the section and this is the rebar plan and this is the top rebar plan and this is the bottom rebar plan for the respected building. And this is the section AA reinforcement values. This is the layout and I will show you the reinforcement gauge view. This is the click on this respective rebar strip view for the reinforcement gauge view. So it will load the reinforcement gauge view for the respected section. This is the reinforcement gauge view for the story number 4. Again in the same process you can select the second one. So this is the reinforcement gauge view. You can click on the rebar quantity and build material reinforcement profile value so that it will show you the respected reinforcement plan data and everything under your respective section. This is the second story reinforcement gauge view. In the same process you can see the reinforcement gauge view for the remaining floors. Next I am selecting story number 1. Just double click on the reinforcement gauge view for the respected section. Next I am selecting here so that it will show you the reinforcement gauge view for the story number 1. This is the reinforcement gauge view for the story number 1. Okay. So in the same process you can see the rebar plan section, rebar section, top rebar section, bottom rebar section and section AA. This will show you the number of the bars and reinforcement details. And this is the reinforcement profile and reinforcement profile for the respected section. This is the build quantity. Okay. So click on the rebar quantity. Okay. So standard details also you can see this from this respected section. So this is the standard details for the respected mat foundation for the column strips. So again select this respected option. This is the drop panel and this is the mid span and this is the mid strip. Okay. So this is the complete process of complete detailing of your respective slab section for the 4-story building by using ETABS software. If you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected questions. Thank you.